Seniors, do you want to keep your legs strong, steady, and pain-free after 60? These 3 simple daily moves will help you stay active, independent, and confident on your feet. Hello seniors, welcome back. This is our 60-day Senior Fitness Challenge, and today is day 3. If you are new here, this is a daily series designed to improve mobility, balance, and strength for seniors. Exercise 1, chair sit to stand. For our very first exercise today, we will begin with one of the most important and useful movements for seniors, which is the chair sit to stand. This exercise is excellent for strengthening your thighs, hips, and core muscles, and it also improves balance and stability. All you will need for this movement is a sturdy chair that does not slide or move when you sit down or stand up. Make sure the chair is positioned on an even surface. Place the chair behind you and sit comfortably with your feet flat on the ground. Keep your arms either crossed over your chest or gently placed on your thighs. Now, let us begin together. Sit tall with your back straight. Slowly lean forward slightly and press through your heels as you stand up. Once you are standing, pause for a moment to feel your balance. Then lower yourself down slowly into the chair. Remember, control is very important here. We are not rushing the movement. This is 1 repetition. We will now perform this exercise together for 50 repetitions. Are you ready? Let us begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep breathing and stay steady. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent posture. Keep going strong. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. From which country are you exercising with us today? I would love to know in the comments. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You are doing amazing. Keep your back straight and your movements controlled. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Wonderful, we are halfway there. How are you feeling? Keep pushing yourself gently. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Do not forget to breathe deeply. You are getting stronger with every repetition. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Excellent job. Keep going. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Just a little more effort now. Stay focused until the very end. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. You are doing this for your health and independence. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonderful! You have just completed 50 sit-to-stand movements, and that is an excellent achievement. This exercise is one of the best ways to keep your legs strong so that you can move confidently in your daily life. Seniors, remember to share this video with your friends so they can exercise alongside you and stay active as well. Exercise 2. Heel raises, standing or chair support. For our second exercise today, we will focus on heel raises. This movement is excellent for strengthening the calves, improving ankle stability, and helping with balance while walking. Strong calves are very important for seniors because they support every step you take and prevent falls. For this exercise, you will need a sturdy chair for support. Place the chair in front of you, hold the backrest lightly, and stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Keep your posture straight, shoulders relaxed, and eyes looking forward. Now let us begin. Start by slowly lifting your heels off the ground so that you are standing on the balls of your feet. Pause for a moment at the top, then gently lower your heels back down to the floor. That is 1 repetition. Remember, do not rush. Control the movement and breathe steadily. We will now complete 50 repetitions together. Follow my count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent work. Stay steady. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Keep breathing deeply. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job, seniors! How are you feeling so far? This exercise is simple but very powerful. Make sure you share this video with a friend so they can also strengthen their legs with you. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Wonderful, we are halfway through. Let us continue with energy and focus. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep your balance steady by holding the chair gently if needed. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Keep breathing and lifting strong. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Almost there. Keep it up. Push yourself gently through the final repetitions. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Stay tall, stay strong. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent work. You have now completed 50 heel raises and your calves should feel warm and activated. This exercise will help you walk with more confidence and strength in your daily life. Remember, consistency is the key. Share this video with 5 to 7 of your fellow seniors so that they can exercise with you and enjoy the same benefits. The more you share, the more friends you can motivate to stay active and healthy. Exercise 3, seated leg extensions. For our third exercise today, we will be doing seated leg extensions. This movement is excellent for strengthening the thigh muscles, especially the quadriceps, which are very important for walking, standing, and climbing stairs. Strong thighs also protect your knees and help improve balance. All you will need is a sturdy chair that allows you to sit comfortably with both feet flat on the ground. Sit tall, keep your back straight, and hold the sides of the chair for stability. Now let us begin. Place both feet flat on the floor. Start with your right leg. Slowly lift your foot forward, straightening your knee until your leg is parallel with the ground. Hold for a moment, then lower your foot back down gently. That is 1 repetition. After finishing with the right leg, switch to the left leg and perform the same movement. We will alternate legs and complete 50 repetitions on each leg together. Let us count and begin. Right leg first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Keep it slow and controlled. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Keep breathing. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If this is your second or third day of exercising with me, let me know in the comments. I want to see your progress. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Switch to the left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great posture. Stay steady. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful. Keep focusing on your form. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You are doing very well. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Back to the right leg again. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Keep going strong. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You are more than halfway there. How are you feeling right now? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Almost done. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Left leg again. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Keep your movement slow and steady. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent. You have now completed 50 seated leg extensions on each leg. This is a wonderful achievement because it directly strengthens your legs for daily activities. Seniors, do not forget to share this video with your friends so they can also join you in building stronger, healthier legs. Remember, consistency is what will bring results, and I will be here with you every single day of this challenge. Great job completing all 3 leg exercises today. How are your legs feeling? Stronger and more energized? Let me know your day number and the country you are watching from in the comments. Stay consistent, and I will see you tomorrow for day 4 of our Senior Fitness Challenge.